David, remember to hang the laundry and wash the dishes for me, okay?
Yeah, I'll do it later. I'll finish this game first.
Oh my God! David still hasn't done the housework. I've said enough. I'll just clean it up first. If I don't do it, no one will.
Hi, Mom. I'm home from school.
I'm really exhausted too. David, come help me cook.
Yeah, let me finish this game first.
I need you now.
It won't take long. I'll do everything for you after this round.
Okay. He says just one round, but every round is the same. Maybe I've gotten so used to it that everyone thinks I don't need help. Never mind, just finish cooking in time for dinner. David, come eat dinner. Mia, come eat dinner. Mia, dinner's ready.
I'm coming right away.
The rice is going to get cold. Mia, go wash your hands and then come eat.
Yes, I wash my hands first.
Oh, we have this soup today? Looks good.
Yeah, let's eat.
I've been hungry for a while now.
Mom, why do you feel so sad?
Nothing, my dear.
I'll finish first, okay? You can just leave the dishes there after you finish eating. I'll wash them for you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my gosh, the lag is insane.
I'm thirsty. I want to get some water. Oh my God! David still hasn't washed the dishes? David! Of course. You said later. Again.
What is it?
You said you would wash the dishes. Where are they now?
I forgot. I'll do it right now.
No. You always say, I'll do it. Do you know that I work all day? Then come home to cook, clean, and take care of our child?
Just calm down.
I've been calm for so many years, David.
I'll wash them. Right now.
I don't need promises anymore. I need you to act from the beginning. Fine, just keep playing your game. It's okay. I'll wash the dishes.
I can do it. Let me.
No need. I'm used to it.
I think that work can be done quickly.
Just keep playing. Don't worry about it. I'm exhausted. Hello, Mom. Anna, do you have time to come stay with me for a few days? I need your help with something. Yeah, yes, I can come. Are you okay? I'm fine, Mom. Just a little tired. I'm going to my mom's for a few days. The house, the child, you take care of them yourself. I need to go home to my mother for a few days. Hello, I would like to go to the suburbs of the city.
Hello, I'm home.
Hello? Hello?
Huh? We're out of water? Oh, I forgot to put water in the bottle yesterday. Hello, Anna. Anna.
Oh,
Oh, she's not answering the phone? That's strange. She's not here. Everything is so quiet.
Oh,
Oh, what is this? I'm going to my mom's for a few days. The house, the child, you take care of them yourself. What? She's gone. Let me see. Mia should be home by now. Where's Mia?
oh,
Why isn't she home yet at this hour? She's probably just playing somewhere. I have to go find her.
Mia! Mia!
Mia, where are you?
Dad, I'm here.
Mia?
Where have you been?
I finished school and came straight home.
Why didn't you call me?
Mom told me that Dad would be picking me up today.
Oh, sorry, my dear. I forgot. Come inside, sweetheart.
Yes, Dad.
I'll take care of the family for a few days in Anna's place. Go take a shower. I'll make dinner.
Yes, Dad. Where's Mom, Dad?
She went to grandmother for a few days. She has something to take care of. It's just going to be the two of us for a while.
I miss Mom.
What's wrong, sweetheart?
Dad, I can't take a shower yet because I don't have any dry clothes.
Oh no, Bao. It seems like Dad forgot.
When will they be dried, Dad?
Probably in a little while.
Then I'll wait and shower later. Yeah, wait for Dad, okay? I thought you hung the clothes out yesterday.
Oh, I forgot.
Dad, can we have dinner first? I'm hungry.
Oh, right, I forgot. Let's make dinner first, okay? You can shower later.
Okay.
How do you even cook this chicken?
Mom usually defrosts it first, then cooks it.
Huh. What's that burnt smell? It's coming from the kitchen. Dad!
Dad, I think the food's burning.
Oh, let me check. I think I messed it up.
Dad, it's all black.
Let's just order food, okay?
Mom never burns the food.
Yeah, I know. What is it, sweetheart?
I haven't finished my craft homework yet.
How do you fold this flour again?
The teacher said to fold it first, then cut.
How many times do I fold it? It looks kinda bad.
Mom makes them really pretty.
Yeah, Dad's clumsy. How about we try again together?